أهل الذكر إن كنتم لا تعلمون
فاسألوا أهل الذكر إن كنتم لا تعلمون.
الحمد لله والصلاة والسلام على رسول الله، وأشهد أن لا إله إلا الله وحده لا شريك له، وأشهد أن محمدا عبده ورسوله. My dear respected brothers and sisters in Islam, Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi ta'ala wa barakatuh. We welcome you once again to Colorado Muslims Fiqh Council. Yas'alunaka, they ask you. Recently we have answered a question regarding a wife taking the last name of her husband upon marriage and the ruling regarding this. And we broadened the subject, and we mentioned that it is not permissible in Islam to take a name other than the name of your parents. Our brother Shihan, our local brother, sent a follow-up question, which really the case of everybody. So back home, like my name is Karim, Muhammad, Abdul Mu'ti, AbuZaid, for example. So you have 4 names already there. Now, when you come to America, you really granted 3 names, basically, first, middle, and last. Even the middle is not an issue. You can just go with first and the last name of these 4 names. So this is the nature of the follow-up question by our brother Shihan. May Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala reward him. My dear respected brother in Islam, the ideal thing that you fit as many middle names as you can, but at least your father name should be there. So my name is Karim, Muhammad is the name of my father, AbuZaid is my family name. If I can add the immediate grandfather, that is a lot better. But if it is too long, that is fine. But the least, in order to keep the lineage, the reason behind this, brothers and sisters in Islam, is the protection of the lineage. And this is one of the holistic aims of Islam. That is why adultery is not permissible, is haram actually. The word is not permissible, is not accurate, it's haram, because it may result in a child out of wedlock, and who's the father, and the lineage of that child will be unidentified because it came out of wedlock, not in marriage. Jazakallahu khairan. Hopefully the message is clear. So first name is yours, then your father name immediately, the initial, immediate middle name. If you can add other names in there is good. If not, this is the least that you should maintain. Then the family name, bi'idhnillahi ta'ala, that should take care of business. Brother Shihan, jazakallah khair. Subhanakallahumma bihamdik, ashhadu an la ilaha illa anta, astaghfiruka wa atubu ilayk, walhamdulillahi rabbil alamin.